hundreds of people are outside the Vancouver Club asking individual rank-and-file Vancouver police officers to do their duty and go inside and arrest Dick Cheney. So we've got a fairly ridiculous situation here where officers of the law of Canada and of Vancouver are in fact protecting this event by a known war criminal when they should be arresting him and seeing that he is prosecuted. We think it's unconscionable that an admitted torturer is here reading from and promoting a book in which he brags about and promotes his views on water torture and his pride in having been one of the people to authorize and oversee the Iraq War.
He's a war criminal! Canada is a signatory!
Canada had a responsibility first, in fact, to bar his entry into the country under immigration law. Obviously that did not happen, and we can point the finger at Canada's immigration minister, Conservative Cheney. And then Canadian law has other stipulations that say if a known war criminal or someone suspected for whom there is serious suspicion of war crimes having been committed does get into the country or is known to be in Canada, there is a legal responsibility to arrest him and see that he is prosecuted, either here or have him extradited to a country that will prosecute him. I think it's pretty well known the ideological affinities and sympathies between the current Harper government in Canada and the former Bush administration. Now Prime Minister Harper was leader of the opposition when the Iraq War happened. He wrote a letter to the Wall Street Journal along with Stockwell Day, basically apologizing to the US government for Canada not being more involved in Iraq. It's entirely ideological, it's entirely a decision of the Harper government not to enforce Canadian law, and this is just outrageous and unconscionable, and we're going to keep protesting until we get a government that respects international law, takes a stand against torture.